Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Performance in Salina, Kansas, where you can find some of the best custom off-road truck builds anywhere else in the country. We have a couple that we do in-house that you can't get anywhere else. Plus, we're a certified Salina dealer, a Roush dealer, as well as SCA. So we get Black Widows as well as Rocky Ridges. In this video, we're going to talk about the Rocky Ridge K2 package. This is actually one of the first ones we've gotten in for this year, and so we're really happy to get this in. We got several more on order with them. They should be rolling in any time now. They've been at the factory for several months, and they're just waiting for this conversion for the new 21 model year here. So real excited about this. So we're going to cover the of course the K2 package for the F-150. Pretty similar to the Super Duty, but if we get a Super Duty in, we'll do one on that one as well. So pretty cool package. So also don't forget, if you haven't watched some of our other videos, you may not be aware of us, check out our YouTube channel. Hit the red subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. We do all kinds of different videos on our different custom builds, as well as we do complete guide walkarounds on our Ford products. So we do all the standard equipment as well as optional equipment for each of the different models and trims. So check that out. In fact, we do have a video on the XLT trim, which is what we base this Rocky Ridge off of. So you may want to refer to that. So I'll put a timestamp or a link to that video down in the comments, as well as at the end of this video. You can check that out, and let's go ahead and just splash it right up here as well. So if you want to go ahead and check out that video so you can see what's going to be standard on the truck before the Rocky Ridge package, you'll know that. So let's go ahead and dive right in and talk about this Rocky Ridge package for the 21 model year. Now, talking about the front up here, we're going to start here on the front, just move our way around it. Now this in here, starting at the top, does have the Rocky Ridge banner on the windshield. Of course, most of those will do that. Roush does that, Salina does that, as well as Rocky Ridge on the windshield. You'll notice a hood scoop up here, so real nice look to it. Does have a painted to match on the outside with a matte finish insert in the middle. So real great look to it here. Does have the, looks like it has the vents there, but we notice that the hood is not cut, so it's not really a functional hood vent, but it has that look. Probably be pretty easy if you wanted to go ahead and cut in. So if you need more kind of a heat extractor there for those vents, then it could be done. Here on the front, the grille, you will notice this grille does look a little different than it does on their website, and that's because this is something that was on back order. So we wanted the inventory. We said go ahead and send it as is. The build was done other than the grille. So you'll see ours does have the factory sport grille. So this is XLT sport package here, and this is the grille we're going to get with it. Otherwise, if you get it from them, if you wait long enough, right now they're on back order, you're going to get the grill insert, so it'll have the Rocky Ridge through the middle in there. That's what's going to be normally standard on there as part of their package. Again, that's something we wanted to wait on. So if you do like this grill instead of the Rocky Ridge grill, you could go ahead and have it ordered that way if you wanted to, just like we did with this one. Also, I noticed that wasn't mentioned on the website is these bumper ends here. So I noticed that they, on both ends, they did cut out the bumper there a little bit, and they put this in over there. It's painted to match there, and these corner vents, kind of just a real nice look to it. I actually kind of like it. I think it gives an aggressive look here on the front of the vehicle, kind of goes along with everything else. Now, about this time, you probably wondered, what trim level do I have to get ordered to have this package put on it? Well, this package really isn't dependent on really any trim level, because everything can be added to about any of the different trim levels. But do recommend you getting it with something with the Sport Appearance package, so you get the body colored bumpers on the front, because they typically won't paint those and include those, and the grille will look so much better on like an XL or Lariat with the Sport Appearance package. So keep that in mind. Probably go one of those two ways, either XLT or the Lariat with the Sport package. We're going XLT with the 302A equipment group on our orders, so we're getting some great equipment, adding the XLT Sport Appearance package, which is required on a 301 or 302A equipment group. So we add the Sport Appearance package. We actually added the Tow Tech package, so you get the 360 cameras, integrated trailer brake controller, as well as a Pro Backup Assist, including that package, plus a couple other things, of course. And so we just ordered it this way, but you could get this on a Lariat trim if you wanted to. So we went XLT, and I'll show you another reason why, when we get to the interior, why XLT is a good value, because of something that gets added to the vehicle. Here on the side, you're going to see the 6-inch suspension lift. That is Rocky Ridge's version there. So real nice, lifts it up, levels it out as well. Has a great stance to it. You're going to see the fender flares are the smooth painted to match fender flares. Nice look to the outside. Of course, makes it a little bit wider to cover up for the wider tires. So you are going to have the 20-inch wheels here. These are Rocky Ridge black wheels with the Rocky Ridge center cap, as well as you can see that Rocky Ridge on the outside of the rim. Great look to it. You're going to see the red brake caliper covers in there as well on all four of the wheels. And then you're going to have they are using the BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. So we're a big fan of the KO2s. So great aggressive tire wheel combination, and then the fender flares kind of cover up some of that, so that way you don't have so much rocks getting kicked up on the side of the vehicle here. You will see the K2 badging on the doors here. So they are the raised. So I love the badging, nice aggressive look to it as well, and I love the newer logo for Rocky Ridge. Also, you can see the running boards over here on the side. Actually, they're the side steps. They're the oval style, and Rocky Ridge's version of this. So it is their design here for these running boards. Moving to the back, you will see the exhaust back here. So it's the Gibson exhaust, so a nice performance exhaust with the powder coated exhaust tips there. Great look. I love the powder coated finish to those exhausts. It looks really great on the vehicle. Also on the back of the tailgate, you're going to see the Rocky Ridge raised emblem on the back of the tailgate, and don't forget on the back of the windshield, or the back glass I should say, you're going to have the Rocky Ridge logo website there on the back. Now, Rocky Ridge doesn't do too many things to the interior of the vehicle itself, but you will see a couple things here and something we added as optional equipment. So you will see the headrest. They're embroidered headrests. That's going to be standard equipment, whether you go with the cloth or whether you go with their optional leather seats. So real great look to those, and again, love that logo. And then also you're going to see on the instrument cluster there, you're going to see the where they replace that instrument cluster with the Rocky Ridge face, the gauge faces. So love that. It's going to be on the tack as well as the speedometer there. And that is on the V8 engines only. So you get the 5.0 V8, it's going to replace those two gauges there, but not on the EcoBoost for some reason. So that's a real nice different things that they do on the interior. There is some optional equipment. So one of them we added on this particular vehicle, we added the leather seats. So these are the custom leather seats from Rocky Ridge. They do get the diamond stitching here. We went with the red color. They have like 5 different color options. I think they have a white, a black, a blue. I think they have silver as well. We went with the red on this particular vehicle, and they also put the stitching on the console cover as well on these. So you'll notice that they even replaced the console cover with it and put that red stitching on it too. So a great finish to it. So that's one option you can get on the truck. A couple other options you can get to cover some of those. You can get a 22-inch upgraded wheel, so go from the 20 to the 22 if you want that. I'm not sure if I can find images of that on their website, but you can upgrade to the 22-inch wheels. That's an option for you. As well as you can go ahead and upgrade and get different paint schemes as well. So you can get, upgrade to several different ones. Just kind of like what Black Widow does, so that you can get a hi-hat, I think is one of them they call. Plus there's a fade paint cover, paint coating. You can get a matte finish or a high gloss finish. So whatever, you got a couple different paint finishes that are optional for you on the truck too. So some great options you might think about. Also power boards. If you want to get instead of the side steps, you want to get power boards, that is also an option. So there's some of the optional equipment that's available from Rocky Ridge. So that's all your standard equipment, as well as some options that I threw in there for you. And one, of course, we're probably going to order on almost all of our trucks, and that is the custom leather seats added to the vehicle as well, because we're going to order about all these on the XLT trim. Of course, XLT usually gets the biggest rebates when it comes to Ford. Also, it's very well equipped. That 302A equipment group really loads it up with almost Lariat type features, giving you the big 12-inch touchscreen, which is standard on Lariat. It's available. It's on the 302A equipment group. You get intelligent access with the push button start. You get the heated front seats. It loads it up. There's more and more features than I can go over. In fact, check out that video as I mentioned at the beginning and at the intro there. That you can check out the XLT video. You can kind of see what's included as standard equipment on XLT, what's also included in the 301 and then 302, and you can see it's really loaded up on features on that 302A equipment group. Normally we get you the cloth seats. We upgrade for the leather seats. Pretty easy to do, and you have a nice looking truck as well, and you don't have to go up to Lariat with all the Lariat pricing. So keep that in mind. That's how we order ours, but you could get it on Lariat with the Sport Appearance Package as well if you want to. Now don't forget, you can check out our inventory on our website, lawmcarthur.com. Check out that Law McArthur Performance logo up there, and then you're going to see a link for the Rocky Ridge package. We do have a page dedicated to the Rocky Ridge trucks here and some of our inventory. Currently, this is the first one we're getting in. We're trying to get more of those. We have a bunch of them sitting over there getting built right now at Rocky Ridge, so we should be seeing those real shortly. So be checking out that inventory right there. You get a little more information. This video will eventually be on there as well. so you can get, if you want to rewatch it and see, you know, everything we cover there. Plus all the information is going to be on the website of what's included in this package if you just want to just read through those real quickly. So check that out. Of course, if you are interested in our vehicles, we do free shipping. And the way that works is we just ask that you finance a vehicle with us. It's that simple. If you finance a vehicle with us, we get enough kickback from the lender that we can pay for most of the cost of the shipping, and we'll ship it right to your door. So definitely mention you saw the video on YouTube, so you can get that free shipping offer that we have just for our YouTube viewers. So definitely take advantage of that. So you can order a vehicle the way you want it to, have this package put on it, and have it shipped right to your door for free. So it's a great deal, especially if you don't go to a dealer. You can work with us, and we have some great specialists here. We have a great aftermarket department that knows these builds and actually is involved in customizing these builds in different colors, and they know what we have ordered, and they can go over into that with you. So just give us a call, send us a text message. Numbers are on the screen again. And so hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, you might like some of our other videos. Hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to our channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, drop your comments down below. I do read those, respond to those myself. We'll get back to you if you have any questions or concerns or anything. We love getting feedback from you with those comments down there. And share this video out. If you have a friend or a buddy that you think might like this video, go and share it out on Facebook or Twitter or anything like that. And speaking of that, you can find us on social media. We're at McArthur on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Until the next one, we'll see you later.